Okay, you all, listen, world. I'm experimenting with beans and seeds and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have you go along with me on my journey. So I'm experimenting. I only have 3 types of beans that I'm gonna start sprouting and doing microgreens. So, but I have a tray right here. So anyway, I gotta remember what the beans are. Okay, this is mung right here, and these are garbanza right here. I have 2 trays of garbanza because I only have 3 trays to sprout. I mean, 3 types of beans to sprout with to start. So I have 2 trays of that, and then I have lentils. Okay, so and then I have the trays. You know, the other trays that go with it. So this is the tray where the water will collect. So now we're going to walk through this together. I'm going to learn how to do it so that I can always make sure that I have fresh vegetables. And it's an inexpensive way for us to all make sure that we have the nutrients that we need in our homes during these difficult times. And I'm a poor person, so I'm always trying to figure out some methods and some ways to save money but eat nutritious foods. Okay, so now work with me, but I'm going to walk you with me through all of this. Okay, I don't have counter space, so I'm using the top of my little box freezer. But anyway, so it has like the drip tray. This is tray 1. So I'm going to go like this, tray 1. I'm going to just stack them. Okay, tray 1. This is tray 2, and it originally they said 2 tablespoons, but the diagrams, they didn't want you to have a whole lot of beans so that they would have room. So I didn't do quite for these little trays like this. I didn't do quite 2 tablespoons. You know, I probably did about a tablespoon of the beans. You know, because they're big. And this is a little tray. So this is tray 2. So tray 2 goes on top of tray 1. And then tray 3. These are the lentils. And so I didn't use 2 tablespoons for the lentils. I probably used about like 3 teaspoons or something like that. You just don't want it to be too full. I don't know if you can tell by how it looks right now. You just don't want it to be too full. You know? You don't want it to be too full. I don't know if you can see. You know? So I didn't quite do the recommended amount. I did like half of it. Okay? So I'm going to stack tray 3 on top of tray 2. 1. So this is 1, 2, and 3, okay? Then we're going to go tray 4, and these are the lentils. And so I didn't put the recommended amount. I put about, if you can see, can you see? I put about that much, so, you know, so that it doesn't crowd. The illustrations, you know, don't have a whole lot, you know, so I don't have the full recommended amount. I have probably like half or whatever, like 3, I don't know, 3 scarves, about 3 teaspoons. Okay, so that goes right there. And then there's another garbanzo beans, and I did about it because you don't want them to be too much. Okay, so I did about, I don't know, about half of that, which about a tablespoon, whatever that would be. Okay, 3 teaspoons or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to stack these on here like that. Okay, so and they're numbered on here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. Now, so they say that you're supposed to have 2 cups of room temperature water so that it can drain. So what I'm going to do, hold on a second, because I think, sorry. I have a little container And so that I'm gonna put these inside of that, okay? So that when the water drains, so that if it overflows from the bottom for 2 cups, that it doesn't flow over everything, okay? And then I'll have, after I pour all of the water, I'm gonna let it drain, but after it I see it kind of draining down later tonight, I'm gonna put this black bag over this, and then I'm gonna cover it until tomorrow. Then tomorrow, I'll add more water, and we'll deal with that tomorrow, okay?